Get ready for an amazing chance. Today, we're sharing how you can earn over $1,500 simply by watching your favorite YouTube videos. Whether you can't get enough of YouTube or you're looking for ways to make money online, this opportunity is for you. You don't need any special skills, just your passion for videos and a device with internet access. It's like turning your relaxation time into a goldmine of earnings. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to make more than $1,500 just by enjoying YouTube videos. Let's explore the exciting world of online earnings together. Step 1 is all about heading to YouTube. Click on any of the videos available. Once you've picked a video, make sure to watch at least 60 seconds to qualify for earning up to $20 for each YouTube video you watch. This method's credibility is supported by real payment proofs from people worldwide who've successfully earned money by watching videos. This method works in almost every country worldwide, and all you need is a mobile phone, tablet, or laptop to take part. To get started, click on Sign In and create a YouTube account if you haven't already. After logging in, your next step is to choose videos that could attract a big audience and therefore boost your earnings. It's recommended to select YouTube videos that provide value to a wide range of viewers, like popular videos or those related to trending topics. You can use YouTube's Explore section or Google Trends to find hot and trending topics such as music, movies, gaming news, or specific keywords like iPhone 15 inches and ChatGPT. As a bonus tip, searching for weight loss on Google Trends reveals a consistently trending topic, especially in top-tier countries like the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. This offers a great opportunity to earn money while watching videos. Although weight loss is given as an example, the main idea is that you can choose topics that interest you from YouTube's Explore section. Whether you're into cooking videos or any other trending topics, the strategy works the same way. If you go to the trending gaming page, for example, you can find out about the popular games of 2023 and make PayPal money by watching videos related to them. The strategy revealed here is a secret method that has worked for people who consistently earn $20 for each video they watch. It's important to note that this method is completely free and totally legit, making it a real way to earn money online. Since YouTube is available everywhere, people from almost any country can join in and earn money by watching videos from anywhere in the world. Now let's move on to step number 2. Your attention should now turn to the top live games on YouTube. Choose any live game that interests you. For example, let's say we're looking at GTA 5, which is currently one of the trending and popular games. When you land on the page, you'll see lots of live streaming videos featuring GTA 5 gameplay. Your job is to click on any of these live videos, which will take you to the next page where the live stream is happening and attracting a lot of viewers. The demand for live gameplay videos offers a special chance to make money online. Stick around until the end of this video because I'll reveal a secret that could potentially increase your earnings by 10 times. The great thing about this strategy is that you can repeat it. You can use it for different YouTube videos within this category or any other category you prefer. Once you've picked your videos, like gameplay videos, move on to the second website that helps you earn money online. On this platform, people report earning $20, $50, and even over $100 by consistently watching videos. The website shrinkme.io is key here. Signing up for a free account on ShrinkMe, which allows you to start earning PayPal money. To get started, grab the link of the YouTube video you want to make money from. Under the video, find the share button, click on it, and then copy the YouTube URL link. Go back to ShrinkMe and paste the link into the box provided. Click the button, and it will automatically shorten the long YouTube link into a short and unique URL. Every click on this shortened link means earnings for you, following the successful approach used by many who have used this website. Now, let's move on to the third step in this process. Go back to the homepage of ShrinkMe and start the registration process by clicking on the Register button. Once you've logged into your newly created account, you'll get a $1 sign-up bonus, which is a nice little freebie. Head to the new shortened link section on this page. Here, you'll copy and paste your YouTube video URLs for shortening and subsequent online earnings. To get started, go back to your chosen YouTube video, click on the share button, and copy the URL link. Then, return to ShrinkMe, paste the link into the provided box, and click the shorten button. In just a few seconds, The website will shorten the YouTube video link into a concise URL. Clicks on this link will take viewers through ads they can skip, eventually leading them to the YouTube video. For every 1,000 people who watch this video, you could earn up to $20. I'll guide you on how to attract a substantial audience, potentially allowing you to earn over $1,500 by watching and sharing YouTube videos. Now, repeat this process for as many videos as you can. The more videos you watch, shorten, and share, the more you can potentially earn. Make sure the videos you choose to shorten are of high quality, and for this, paying attention while watching is key. Only pick videos that you think would really grab an audience's attention. Then, copy their links and use Shrink Me to earn money. For the fourth step, head over to facebook.com and log into your account. Search for GTA 5 in the search box and filter the results by selecting the Groups option. Explore public groups related to GTA 5 and join those with over 10 posts today for more interaction. Create a post in each group introducing a GTA 5 live gameplay video and include your shortened link. Copy the shortened link from Shrink Me, return to Facebook, and paste it into your post before publishing it. Repeat this process by selecting and watching multiple YouTube videos, shortening them with Shrink Me, and promoting the links in Facebook groups. Now here's my secret trick for earning 10 times more money than others. Do a Google search for forums related to your YouTube video content. For example, if you're promoting weight loss videos, search for weight loss forums and join the most active ones, around 10 to 20 forums. Create daily posts on these forums similar to the ones you made in Facebook groups. In our case, we're promoting GTA 5 videos. Search for gaming forums on Google like PC Gamer Forum, or even better, specifically look for GTA 5 forums. Join these forums and create posts related to GTA 5, sharing your shortened link. This strategy will allow you to reach thousands of people in these forums, potentially helping you earn over $1,500 by watching YouTube videos. Here's another effective tactic to boost your earnings substantially. Use social media platforms beyond Facebook and forums related to your content. Consider leveraging the power of Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit communities that align with your niche. For example, if you're promoting GTA 5 videos, engage with relevant subreddits like GTA or gaming, tweet with popular gaming hashtags, and share captivating visuals on Instagram to captivate a wider audience. Expanding your outreach across diverse platforms can significantly amplify your visibility and revenue potential, opening up new avenues for growth and success. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next one.